Hi everyone, and welcome to your Words Summer course. My name is Professor Pratt. I'm going to be your instructor for the summer. So I am talking to two classes in these videos. So one of those classes is going to be a Words 1104 class, and one is going to be a Words 1103 class. You are essentially on the same schedule, except that the 1104 class is a 4-credit class and has the studio component with the course. So my 1104 students will see that they have studios, which you will read about in the course description. And my 1103 students will see that the studios are there for you to view, but they are not required for you. So they go over some important key concepts of the class. So you have access to them if you are in 1103, and if you are in 1104, you will see that they are required assignments. So just wanted to clear that up, that almost everything else that I will say to you all applies to both 1104 and 1103. So I'm going to be addressing you both in these videos. So what we're going to go over in this welcome video is just a few brief things about the course. Please make sure that you, on the home page, one of the first things I'd like you to do is go to this Ask Professor forum. You can see I have subscribed already, but if you haven't, if yours is green, or if you need to subscribe, please do so that it turns green. As you can see, this is a place to ask any general questions that you have about the class. So as you're going through the course policies, the schedule, anything that you have questions about, go ahead and post it here, and your question should be then seen by everybody, and my response can be seen by everybody. So it's just general questions related to the assignments or any of the course policies. And this is a good way for you to come and see if you have a question. Maybe I've already answered it for somebody else, and students really end up using this. And it's quite convenient because I get a notification when you ask a question. So go ahead and subscribe to that. So what you're going to first do when you come to our page is to start going over the Start Here material. So this will take you to this module for Start Here. And you'll start with the welcome. And then you can, at the bottom of each page, click on Next, and it will take you to the next component in the Start Here module. So you'll need to do this first, okay? And then you will see under week 1, and it will be showing up in your to-do list, you have a syllabus quiz. So anything that you need to know about for the syllabus quiz, you can have it, this all open. It's not, a closed book quiz or anything, but you're just going to be referring to the information up here to complete that quiz. All right. So to talk about how the class is set up, obviously you probably know that it's 100% online asynchronous, so there are no required meeting times, and coursework is going to be due every weekday by the end of the day at 11:59 p.m. Okay, and so if we look at week 1, I'm just going to use this as an example. I suggest starting with the week 1 overview, and you can see the assignments due for each day. Okay, so note that all work is due by 11:59 p.m. on the day it's listed. Okay, so that means that by 11:59 p.m. on Monday, May 23rd, you want to have done these things. Okay, and they are all contained in this module, and you can access them just by clicking Next. Okay, so it's going to take you to the next thing that you need to go to for each of these assignments. Okay, so again, by Tuesday, you'll want to have done these 3 things by 11:59 p.m. on Tuesday. Okay, so I'm not going to go over the the nuts and bolts of the course in this video. I'm going to leave it up for you all to read through that material. I just want to let you all know that for this words course, there are basically two main assignments that we'll be working towards throughout the whole semester. One of them is going to be a extended inquiry project, and that's based on some of the topics in the readings that you're assigned. So that's going to be a different kind of research project than you've probably done before. And then at the end of the semester, you submit a final writing portfolio, and that acts as your final in the class. So we're spending most of the class time working towards that extended inquiry project, which culminates in something called a reader's guide. And then all of the work that you have done throughout the summer semester is content that you draw on for that final portfolio. Okay, so I'm going to again just tell you that you want to start here with the Start Here button. And if you need to talk to me about anything that's, that you wouldn't want to post in the Ask Professor forum, you have my email here. And my office hours are by appointment via Zoom. And one other thing that I want to mention here is that, I'm in the student view right now, and I can see under my to-do list that Canvas doesn't necessarily put things in the order that I have them on the modules. So, when I look over here, ideally you'd want to look at week 1 overview first. So I suggest kind of ignoring this to-do list, except to see if you have stuff due that day, but then to go in the order that I have on here. So to start with the syllabus quiz, subscribe to Ask Professor, read this, and then post here. And because it seems kind of haphazardly ordered in your to-do list, and I'm not sure why that is. But again, just suggest going in the order that is listed in the schedule, as that will, each assignment kind of builds on the previous one. Again, I look forward to getting to know you all. One more thing I wanted to mention is that I will be posting a weekly overview video every Sunday. And that will go over generally what's coming up in the coming week. All right. I hope you all have a good rest of your week, and I'll be posting another video on Sunday.